What's up everyone, Apocalyptic P back again. Today we're going to bring you a little box break here. We got the Topps Undisputed 2016 trading cards hobby box. There's 10 packs per box and each pack is guaranteed an autograph or a relic card. So let's break this guy open. Let's see what we get. So these are a higher end card. Again, each pack being guaranteed a hit, and hits consist of either autographs or relic cards. So these are more expensive. Here's the inside of the box. You get 5 total cards per pack. Again, 10 packs in the box. Take them out here and we'll start opening them up and see what we got. Alright, 5 packs on each side. First pack here, let's open her up. Alright, starting off with the big show. Seth Rollins. There's your big show. Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Chris Jericho. And the hit for this pack, it is a redemption for autograph Luke Harper. I was hoping for someone a little better there, but I'll take it. It does say Divas Championship on there. I think that's a misprint. I'm pretty sure Luke Harper ain't no Divas Championship. But who knows? Alright, pack number 2. Back card here is the Mega Bucks. They do have parallels which are numbered. That's numbered out of 99. General Edin. Ooh. Kofi Kingston with his sweet New Day attire. There's a Rosa Mendez. And the autograph is a Charlotte, and it's numbered to 25. Very nice on-card auto of Charlotte. Number 225. Pack number 3. Alright, back card here. Another parallel, and that one's again numbered to 99. Undertaker Basic, Superstar Billy Graham, Elias Sampson, NXT first card in Topps, and the hit for this one is an autographed Bray Wyatt, the SmackDown Live Heavyweight Champion Bray Wyatt. Gonna find out here next week who he's gonna face at WrestleMania, coming down to AJ Styles or Luke Harper. Virgil, Apollo Crews, NXT, number to 50. Ravishing Rick Rude, basic. Jason Jordan from American Alpha. Hit for this pack, a Jimmy Uso shirt relic. Relic's piece, just plain orange. I like to get the ones that are multicolored. Alright, next pack here. Card in the back first. If I can get it separated. Trish Stratus, Divas. That's another numbered card, numbered to 50. Junkyard Dog, Seth Rollins, the Hype Bros, Zack Ryder and Mojo Rawley, Undisputed Tag Teams. And the hit is an autographed relic Miz at number 299. I do like that Miz autograph there with the $sign. Too bad it's not on card though, it's a sticker. Most of these autos are on card. Some do come with the sticker autos. Alright, the bad guy on top there. Let's start off with the back. And it's another Hype Bros, but this is a parallel numbered to 25. See right there, top corner. If it zooms in, 10 to 25. There's your Scott Hall, Jake the Snake Roberts, and the APA hit is Becky Lynch auto. Now that's another nice autograph. I like her auto. That's a numbered out of 50 also. That's on card. Very nice auto. 4 packs left. Sting on front. Jimmy Hart. The Vaudevillains. And that's numbered out of 50. Big old Mark Henry. And the hit for this pack is a Nia Jax, numbered out of 50 auto. Alright, that's her first appearance in the set there. Her NXT auto, Nia Jax. Pack number 8. Vader on front. Kofi. That's a parallel. Basic Vader. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Oh. Bray Wyatt basic. And the hit for this pack is a Nikki Bella auto. Very nice. Numbered out 299. That's the basic auto. Nikki Bella on card auto. As we go down here, pack number 9. Got a Paul Bearer card. Let's see who's in the back here. Don't want to show the hit. We'll save that till last. A Becky Lynch parallel. Big guy Braun Strowman. It's his rookie card. His match with the Big Show last week was very impressive. What a great match. That's a nice Bayley card, NXT. And we have our hit is a Simon Gotch autographed shirt relic. I like the relic there, the nice multicolored piece of shirt. Nice auto too there, but it is a sticker auto. So I do like the on cards a little better, but not a bad hit. Alright, the King. Jerry Lawler. Let's see here, coming from the back. Bob Backlund. Bam Bam Bigelow. Here, Brie Bella. And the last hit of the box. Ooh's a Sheamus shirt relic. Basic. Not that great, but hey. What can you do? Alright, so there's the box, folks. I got some more coming up here. Probably post them here in the next couple days or so. And don't forget to like and subscribe, folks. Keep checking the channel. I'll be posting more videos soon. Unboxing, box breaks, some gameplay stuff. Check it out. Thanks.